Welcome to an introduction to Google Drive. Google Drive is a cloud storage and file creation system available to anyone with a Google account and/or a Gmail account, where documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, videos, and pictures can be stored. Files are accessible on any device with an internet connection. So why should you use Google Drive? Files are stored in one secure location, not in multiple locations. Files and folders can be accessed from a desktop computer, laptop, iPad, tablet, or smartphone, basically any device with internet access. Based on permissions the document creator gives, users can collaborate on a document and see who made changes and when. You can see all previous versions of your document, so if you need to revert back to a previous version, you can easily do so. So let's get started. To access your Google Drive account, open the Chrome browser and go to www.google.com. When you open this up, you may see the blue Sign In button. If so, click that, then log in with your email address and your password. If you don't see the blue Sign In button, click the apps icon, which is these 4 gray dots, and choose Drive. I'm going to log on by clicking the Sign In button. Type your password, then click Sign In. Now I need to go to my Drive, so I click the Apps button and go down to Drive. On the left-hand side of the Drive screen, you see the Create button. When you click the red Create button, you're given an option as to what sort of document you would like to create. Do you want to create a folder where you can organize your documents? Or you could create a document similar to Microsoft Word, a presentation similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, a spreadsheet similar to Microsoft Excel. You could also create a form where you could create a survey or a quiz, or you could create a drawing. Anything on the right-hand side would be something that you had already downloaded. The red Upload button to the right of the red Create button is what you click if you want to upload either a file from another location or a folder containing multiple files from another location. Notice that on the left-hand side of the screen, the words My Drive are in red. This tells you that what's showing in the middle of the screen is everything that's listed in My Drive. My Drive is the documents that you create and/or upload. Shared with Me lists all of the documents that other Google Drive users have shared with you so you can work on them collaboratively. These can be files or folders. Starred documents are those that you have selected by clicking the star icon in front of the file or folder to indicate that it's something that it's a favorite that you go to often, or maybe it's something that you've created that you haven't finished and you're working on it, and this is an easy way to get to those documents. Clicking on Recent shows all of the documents that you have been working on in the last few days, with the newest documents or the most recent documents you're working on being at the top of the list. Trash is a repository for files you no longer need. Files can be restored from trash if you have not chosen to remove the file permanently. Files which have been deleted or moved to the trash will automatically delete after 30 days. So let's go up to My Drive and let's open a document. Notice that when you open a document, the document opens as a new tab at the top of the screen. If you want to go back to your Google Drive, you simply click on Drive. Note that if you go to Create a document, when you open that document is an untitled document. You're going to want to get into the habit of clicking Untitled Document and then naming your document first. If you don't, you're going to end up with an entire drive full of untitled documents. To go back to close the tab, simply click the X on the tab to close that out. To go back to My Drive, you simply click on My Drive at the top of the screen. Using Google Drive allows you to create and share documents and folders with other teachers as well as students. With proper document permissions, all users of a given document can comment as well as work on a document simultaneously, even if they are not in the same location. Make sure that when you finish, you log out of your Google account. If you are in a document, click the down arrow to the right of your email address in the upper right corner of the screen and select Sign Out. If you are viewing the My Drive screen, click the account icon in the upper right corner of the screen and click Sign Out.